goddamn phones, Babylon's.
Who are you?
No, boy.
Cool. Cool.
Hey. Baby.
Oh, don't do it. Yeah. Oh my God.
Boss time shit. Hey, you did.
Jackie Chan.
Bruh. Yeah, Jackie Chan, what it is, baby. Hey, thank you, dog, man. I appreciate it, bro. Heck yeah, man, for real, definitely, man. I'm a fan of him, man. Thank you, man.
Kung Fu.
You did. You already know that boy.
Oh, don't do it. Yeah. Oh my God.
Trap. I just keep going all day, man. Real talk. Keep it. You put me swag on it. You put me put a little swag on it. You did. Get crazy on it. You know how we do it.
Yeah.
Oh my God. Hey.
Are you on some Desiigner tracks?
We have one together.
Oh, hell no. Geronimo.
Yeah.
How does that go?
That's what's going right now. Everybody trying to rap the same style with the. I don't know who created it. It was Future or Migos, but all them niggas sound the same.
I done wrote a million songs, man. I ain't even gonna lie. You think I'm saying? Hey. Man, son, if they was I'm the zookeeper in the panda zoo. You feel me? So you know it's a whole lot of other pandas. You did.
Anything you'd like to add to the people out there, Desiigner?
We in the building, baby. Hey.